And that over there is Beacon Rock, which is a remnant of an ancient volcano from about 60,000 years ago. And apparently the Missoula floods that came raging down the Columbia Gorge eroded most of the material away and left this basalt column. And there's a really funny story behind it, because the original owners of Beacon Rock tried to gift it to the state of Washington to preserve it. Apparently it was going to be blown apart and the material used to make a jetty. And the state of Washington said no, because they suspected that they were trying to avoid paying taxes. And then along came the governor of Oregon and said, hey, we'll buy it. But as soon as Washington got wind of that, they decided, okay, we better take it. Anyway, beautiful, stunning Beacon Rock. Let's get over to Hood River to install these bees. All right, we're in Hood River. You might remember this character here, Skip, from Bonneville Dam. Check out, that's Mount Adams over there, I think it is. Is that Mount Adams?
That's Mount Adams. All right.
Nora! What? Oh, I can't see you. He's about to put the bees in.
Look, Whitman, do you see him, buddy?
See him there?
Whoa!
Look at all that work they did.
Yeah, that's just in what, 4 days?
They're so beautiful.
And I have no idea why I'm wearing my suit with no hood up.
Do you want the hood up?
Do you want the hood up?
No, that's
I'm
good.
not wearing to come over
Okay, you have to hold it next to my arm. It's getting
Do you want to see this or?
Yes.
Alright, so. You need glasses, are you?
No, I don't.
If you look right in the comb, in the center, see these little white dots? Right.
The tiny little.
Tiny.
Yeah, those are eggs.
round stuff.
So she is in there laying already. So they built all of this within a few days. What, a
That's
week?
amazing.
So industrious.
You need a point to it?
Uh,
I can make it for you.
nope, you're good. Actually, these guys are pretty cool.
You putting a picture of you?
All right, where's your locker?
Hand it to you right here. Or do you want me?
Oh,
You
yeah.
want me
Could
to?
you just do, say, like
Just
Right
get
about
all the
here.
bees in there with the honeycomb and stuff.
that? No. Ah. Okay. Yep. Ooh, nice lockers. There we go. That'll do.
There's a little comb on the side there.
So that's called a bee brush. So it's real gentle. So he's brushing them and encouraging them to go in.
Another log hive installed. And there's Mount Adams right over there. Beautiful.
Can bees sting you through the gloves?
Oh yeah.